Hi everyone, so we are finishing our commercial space unit. You see the entrance at the back, and that's where we did the underpinning for a while. And so because now I need a space where to store my tools and all my gadgets and all that stuff. So the bin is arriving, so we're gonna see how well it matches my base. So unfortunately, the base which I prepared was not solid enough, and so we took it apart and just dropping on wooden beams in the back, and then the front of the container we will level with the stones that I have. Look, this is a professional. Look how close he came to the fence, yet didn't even touch it or break it or. So this will be my storage for all my tools. So I can free up the basement commercial space and let it open it for rental. If you want to check, we had a good pro here working for us, and then as you can see, and this is just was done within 20 minutes probably. I'm just showing you that it's set, how it's set. So not much prep. The front sits on those rocks from Home Depot, and the back sits on the massive solid wood that the guys use for underpinning. This is very dense hardwood. That's it. My storage is done and ready. Subscribe, like, because it will be great for you. It will bring you health, success, happiness, prosperity, and love.